ka dito. Come here. Come here, you say hi. You're in my vlog. You say hi to my subscribers.
Hi guys.
You come on your channel. Come on, tell them. What's your channel?
What's your channel?
Pardon me. Okay, I will write that down right here so they can see. Right here so they can see. They can you have to hold it on the side like this. Hold it on the side like this.
Oh yes, sir. Hi guys.
I can see your mouth.
Once upon a time in the land of Bevil, there lived a bebe named Shanta. But she was no ordinary bebe, she was a pabebe bebe. As the bebe grew, she became proficient in music and dancing and was very happy. But the people of Bevil were not happy, they were angry and full of hate. So the pabebe bebe skipped through Bevil, spreading her pabebe magic everywhere she went and made them happy. And from that day forward, the town of Bevil became known as Pabebeville.
Because pabebiness is happiness.
Hi! Welcome to my channel. My name is Shanta. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa church namin. Ito yung pangalan ng church namin. Aligtas ba? It's the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So may activity kami. Pupunta tayo sa loob. Hi! Blurry ba? Mayroong gustong sumali sa vlog ko. Ito.
Hi. My name is Sheila KB Dagatan. Please follow me on Facebook and on my Instagram. Thank you!
yeah.
And we're from Sisters from Makati 3rd for young women. Shout out nga pala sa mga classmates ko dyan, mga Shadrach. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi!
Julia.
Wanta pa! Ito, kaibigan siya ni Dwayne kasi same mission sila. Practice ka na ng waray? Sige daw.
Nakalimutan na kasi may ikan na.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa loob. Tingnan nyo. Ito, cultural hall namin to. Hindi kami dito ang tawag dun, pag sa Catholic kasi mass, parang service, ganun. Ito yung cultural hall namin. Dito kami naglalaro, tapos mga performances, kasi may stage kami, tingnan nyo. Ayan, stage yan. Dito naman ako focus, ayan. So, nandito po ako sa activity namin sa church. Ito po yung Relief Society Organization. Nandito po yung mga mama, mga mothers, tapos yung mga 18 years old na babae pataas. Ayan. Ngayon, nag-zumba na. Ikot muna tayo, tapos tingnan natin yung mga products na ginawa ng mga Relief Society. So, yung activity na to, parang pag-encourage para magkaroon ng livelihood. Ayan, tapos wait na. Para ma-encourage na magkaroon ng livelihood yung mga babae. Akala ko tapos na sila. Umulit pa pala. Gusto pa nilang sumayaw. Zen master na. Bata. Siyempre, hindi ako sumali. Joke. Kasi mag-vlog ako, di ba? Kayo po, ba't po wala kayo doon? Hello! Hi! Hi po! Hi. Yes po! Sorry parating naging blurry yung ano ko. Kasi parang nag-autofocus kasi camera ko. Hello! Hi! Hello po, hi! Talaga, salamat. Thank you. Let's take a picture. Picture tayo, sige. nga eh. Ay, picture tayo? Ay, ka muna dito. Dali, picture tayo. Talagang may flash sa... Talagang may flash sa...
Hindi ako ulit siya. Si...
Nasa bahay. May ano kasi, nag-edit kasi siya. May deadline. Yan, wala si Dwayne dito kasi may deadline siya, nag-edit siya. Nakaplug ako. Uy, hindi pinakita. Saan sa dito? Ah, sure po. Salamat. Salamat po. Hi to April ng Mandaluyong 4th Ward. Nandyan siya. Baby tayo. Binigyan kami ng pagkain.
Do you know when we are supposed to cut it? Do you know when now?
Alam nyo ba yan yung favorite ko na pansit? Ayoko ng kanton. Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Gusto ko ng kanton. Gusto ko ng ano rin. Hello ba? Video po. Hi ka. Nahiya siya. Yung pansit bihon, yun yung favorite ko. Lalo na pag madaming kalamansi.
This? You know, because I'm doing my diet.
Dadalhin sana niya sa mga ibang ano. Pansit. Turon. Tinatawanan nila ako.
Come over.
Talagang may ganun, di ba? Ang laki. Sabi ko, pwede na sumama yung mga buwansin dahil nagawa ng Thursday, ang activity po namin ni Lexi. Meron sa ano yung husband niya. Oo nga daw po. Kaya sabi ko, hi ka na sa vlog. Hi! Say hi. What's your name? Charmel. Chi. Hi! Saleb. Ang ganda ng pangalan niya. Saleb. Salem. Ay, Salem.
Kanta ulit. Thank you for watching videos.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi! Mana sa mami ka niya or kapatid? Ah, mami. O, diba? Parang kapatid lang. Oh, cute. Ay, sorry. Tayong dalawa. Picture ko yan. Kumanta siya ng Cerelac jingle. Halika dito. Come here. You say hi. You're in my vlog. You say hi to my subscribers.
Hi guys.
You comment your channel. Come on, tell them. What's your channel?
What's your channel?
Pardon me. Okay, I will write that down right here so they can see. Right here so they can see. They can okay? Don't drop it, okay? Don't drop it. Hold it on the side like this. Hold it on the side like this.
Oh yes, hi guys.
I can see your mouth. Sorry, nabisi ako sa pagkain, pero I think this is coming to an end na. Matatapos na yung activity namin. So, nagpapack na ako. Yan. Yay! You did it!
Anyone is open to
my name is Shanta. I'm a Filipina who lives in Manila, but I'm originally from Leyte. I upload videos 4 times a week. Now, if you want to watch my other videos, you can click this box or you can click this box. Thank you!